This video is sponsored by Dreo. Dreo is the best-selling household fan brand on Amazon, and for good reason. We're going to be talking about fans in this video, and if you are having trouble staying cool this summer, just like me, and you need some airflow that's better than the average everyday fan, keep watching. This is the Polyfan 502S pedestal fan by Dreo. All of Dreo fans come packed amazing in heavy styrofoam. They're individually and carefully wrapped to prevent scratching, and they come with a quick start guide, which is really quick. You know how sometimes the quick start guides say that and they're not? These are actually quick start guides. They are so simple to set up. That base on this particular fan is so heavy, and I knew right away it is quality. On the back side of the quick start up, you have further instructions, and I'll go over that with you in a minute, but I just want to show you how simple it is to put this fan together. There's literally a little groove there, and you just match it up like a puzzle piece, and they all come with tools, of course, if you need them to build. You could also use a screwdriver. I do use this a little bit just to get it started, and then I end up using my screwdriver. And all you do is you put the screw in with the washer first, and you use the tool that comes with it to screw it on. I'm going to finish it off with my screwdriver because I have it and I never use my tools, so I got a chance to use my tools, you guys. So just know you can use a screwdriver, and you screw the top on. That is it. Dreo has a variety of the Polyfan to choose from, starting from $80, so you can pick the one that suits you the most. It also has a lever on the bottom and can be adjusted 5 inches up or down. It's a moderate size fan with good stability, very strong wind, and it's suitable for medium-sized rooms. There's adjustable oscillation and a remote control. The remote control comes with this neat little clip, so you can just clip it on to the pedestal part for convenience. I really appreciated the fact that all 3 Dreo fans use the same symbols for on and off, so if you memorize them, you'll know exactly what they're for every single fan. So we have a power button, a fan speed button, working mode button, timer button, vertical oscillation, horizontal oscillation, and it looks like we have a child lock on and off as well. The power button is conveniently located on the back, and you just plug it into the wall. I was so excited to turn this on because it felt so heavy and nice that I actually didn't brush all the foam off. You can see the packing foam on it, but it's brand new, so there you go. It was packed in foam. But I go ahead and start it manually, click the oscillation buttons, and look at what it does. These fans very much remind me of being outside by the ocean, where you have the full feeling of the breeze all around your body, just moving and keeping you cool. Very effective, very amazing. So they go over some specs here if you're interested about what does the magic, but I thought the most awesome feature here is this is a smart fan. All 3 of these fans in today's videos are, so all you have to do is download the app. Next, this is Pilot Max S Smart Tower Fan. It is also amazingly packed when it arrives, totally secure in styrofoam so that nothing gets damaged. It comes with 2 half fan bases, so make sure you get 2. They look like this. They're silver and they kind of look like a half moon. Inside another very sturdy box, you will find the manual, the remote control, and the power cord. And just like the first fan, it's super easy to assemble this. There's those little round plugs that go into the holes like a puzzle piece. You just push it down till you hear it snap in gently. And then on the bottom of the tower, you will find this red ring. You just turn it counterclockwise. You're going to put that piece through your base, and then put the red ring back on and turn it clockwise, turning it nice and snug so that the base is on there firmly. The Pilot Max S Tower Fan has highlighted advantages: sleek design, compact size, elongated air outlet for even body coverage. It also has concealed fan blades for enhanced safety, so it is ideal for families and children. This fan is also super easy to clean. You just take the back screw off, pull it up, and then lift it out. And you can see all of the mechanisms behind it. Take a soft cloth or a brush or a vacuum, clean it up, and then the 3 little grooves right there, there's 3 pieces that stick down, and you'll hear it snap in, and you know you've got it back together. And lastly, you'll just take the screw it back in, and you're all done. The Pilot Max S tower fan comes with 12 speed settings, 4 modes, and adjustable oscillation angles from 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120 degrees, and it has ultra quiet performance at 25 dB. So I put my house plant there so you could get an idea about the speed, and it was strong enough to blow the leaf off. So it blows out about 27 feet and also comes with a remote control. Now we're taking a look at Dreo's Smart Air Circulator Fan. These are smaller fans, but they are just as amazing as the bigger ones. They have the same controls, and they are also smart fans, so they can be controlled via the app as well. And remember, every single thing that you can do with the buttons, manually or with the remote control, you can do on your app, which is awesome. But the advantages of having this kind of fan, of course, is that it's great for a desk or a tabletop. It's compact, it's portable, it's cost effective, and it's perfect for personal use in small spaces and close proximity like this one. We kept it in stationary position because we're actually in the middle of remodeling the home. We put in new floors and we're still doing our stairs. My husband was so hot because obviously the AC doesn't really make it up the stairs, and this fan was a lifesaver. It also does that amazing 3D oscillation, which I'm going to show you right here, and all 3 of these fans are surprisingly quiet. These are high quality, amazingly effective fans. There's going to be a link to the Dreo site and a coupon code in my video description box right below the video, as well as in my pinned comment at the top of this message thread. And thank you again to Dreo for sponsoring this video. It was a pleasure. You have awesome fans.